Hello guys, welcome back to my channel जिसका नाम है Cumin All-Rounder. First of all, I want to say thanks to all of you who guys watching my videos. And today I want to share with you Palak Paneer recipe. I hope you guys like it. So let's start. The ingredients. I take a garlic 5 to 6 cloves, ginger small piece, and 2 chilies, the green one. 1 onion, one small onion, 1 tomato, salt according to taste, turmeric 1 teaspoon, Garam Masala 1 tablespoon, cumin seed 1 tablespoon. I took 2 bags of spinach. I wash it, and so I didn't chop because we blend. 400 gram paneer, malai. For cooking we need oil, some oil like 4 to 5 tablespoons, and maybe if we need a puree, so little bit we need a water. Then we have water and 1 blender for the makeup puree. That's our ingredients. So let's start. We put oil in the pot and 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. Our cumin seed is going to be brown, so we can add ginger, garlic and chili. Our ginger garlic is getting brown, so we can add onion. We need to wait until it's little bit golden brown. Our onion is cooked, so we can add some tomato. I add 1 tablespoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon Garam Masala. You can mix it. Now we're gonna add spinach. We add spinach in a pot, so now we put on a lid on it and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Now our spinach is cooked. So now we put in a blender and blend it. Now we blend the spinach. You can see the color. It looks so nice. Now we can add paneer. And cook for 2 to 3 minutes more with the lid. 2 to 3 मिनट कुक करने के बाद आप आइए देखो मलाई मिलाएंगे. कितना सोना कलर आया है इधर. और अपन ने डिश आउट कर लिया. I dish out the palak paneer. You guys eat with the chapatis and naan. I hope you guys like my video. If you guys like my video, please subscribe for my channel, and we will meet you in the next video. So it's time to say goodbye.